Hi, everybody. Welcome to ePrime for this evening. I'm Daedran. Now, 2026 is off to a good start for Sean Paul as he scores big in just the first week. The Grammy-winning DJ has earned his 10th platinum certification in the United Kingdom as his global hit Like Glue has officially been certified. The British phonographic industry certified the song after it attained over 600,000 units in combined sales and streaming across the UK. Like Glue peaked at number 13 on the Billboard Hot 100 chart and made the top 10 in Canada, Hungary, Ireland, Italy, and Switzerland. And the official music video has been streamed more than 161 million times on YouTube. Now, speaking of major wins, Spice has copped herself another certification. Her 2021 hit track, Gadung De, Wainang Gadung De, featuring Sean Paul and Shaggy, has officially been certified silver in the United Kingdom for selling over 200,000 units in that country. Last year, the track surpassed 500 million streams globally. It also occupied the #1 spot on the Queen of Dancehall's Spotify Top 10, while sitting within the top 5 on both Shaggy's and Sean Paul's charts. Now, on the international scene, new music coming from Bruno Mars. The singer says his first solo album in nearly a decade is done. On Monday, Mars took to social media platform X to share an update on his upcoming project, saying, "My album is done." Mars' most recent album, 24K Magic, was released in 2016. Now, the album spawned several hits like the title track, That's What I Like, Finesse, which was remixed with Cardi B, and Versace on the Floor. The album has been certified 3 times platinum and even won Album of the Year at the 60th Grammy Awards in 2018. Gospel-winning star Donnie McClurkin is in hot water as he has been sued for sexual abuse. McClurkin is facing a civil lawsuit in New York that accuses him of sexually abusing a former congregant over a span of years, beginning in the early 2000s. Now, according to NBC News, the complainant filed in Manhattan Supreme Court alleging a pattern of grooming, manipulation, and assault tied to the plaintiff's struggle to reconcile his faith and sexuality. Now, according to the lawsuit, the alleged abuse occurred during so-called spiritual counseling sessions aimed at changing the complainant's sexuality. It escalated as he began working as McClurkin's assistant and traveling with him. McClurkin has denied the allegations. His attorney called the claims categorically false, stating that McClurkin never engaged in sexual abuse or coercion and that the lawsuit misrepresents decades-old interactions. That's it for ePrime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.